All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at some articles in British English ASMR with some tea. Looks like we have a guest as well. All sorts of different noises in different parts of the world. So let's look at this article here. I don't want to walk without you. I Don't Want to Walk Without You is a popular song. The song was published in 1941. The music was written by Jewel Stein with the lyrics by Frank Loesser. Okay. Hanged, drawn and quartered. Bit of a gruesome turn all of a sudden. To be hanged, drawn and quartered became a statutory penalty for men convicted of high treason in the Kingdom of England from 1352. Although similar rituals are recorded during the reign of King Henry III, 1216 to 1272, the convicted traitor was fastened to a hurdle or wooden panel and drawn by a horse to a place of execution, where he was then hanged, almost to the point of death, emasculated, disemboweled, beheaded and quartered, chopped into 4 pieces. His remains would then often be displayed in prominent places across the country, such as London Bridge, to serve as a warning for the fate of traitors. For reasons of public decency, women convicted of high treason were instead burned at the stake. Okay. Resting Spring Range. The Resting Spring Range is found in eastern Mojave Desert of California, near the Nevada state line in the United States. The range lies in a generally north-south direction to the west of the Nopa Range and southeast of the Amargosa Range and Greenwater Range. The mountains of Inyoy County, California, lie between the Amargosa River and California State Route 127 to the west, and Stewart and Chicago valleys of California State Route 178 to the east. Well, I have never been to California, so this is all new to me. Wow. And it looks like a real adventure, to say the least. Anything in the wilderness looks like an adventure to me. Mountains, ranges, desert. How cool is that? Brilliant arboreal alligator lizard. The brilliant arboreal alligator lizard, Arboreal Gaia phantasma, is a species of lizard endemic in Guatemala. This species is restricted to the mountains of east central Guatemala, from the Sierra de las Minas east to the Chilasco region. It occurs at elevations of 1,600 to 2,650 meters and can be found in pine oak and cloud forests of lower Montana wet forests. Its extent of occurrence is estimated at only 752 kilometers squared and has been declared endangered. Threats to this species include habitat loss from agriculture and the expropriation of ornamental Chamaedophane caluctia plants, conversion of habitats to pine plantation, and intentional fires. It can be found in protected areas as Mario de Rivera Protected Biotope and Sierra de las Minas Biosphere Reserve. Okay, Let's have a look at this lizard. Oh. Small little lizard. Very much like an iguana. Green scales, long protruding face, eyes at the back, good vision, 360 view. Very small, fits on the hand. It looks quite beautiful in a way, but I wonder how harmless it is. Oh wow, yeah. There are some that are very small, like size of your finger. You'd fit one right there on your palm. Wow. Wow. Oh, the adult ones are the body's size, length of your fingers. Wow, that's really cool. Wow. That's really cool. How cool is that? Let's see what else there is. One more. Shaogang Ningxia. Ah, Shaogang. Okay. Simplified China. Okay. Shaogang is a town under the administration of Qing Tongxia, Ningxia, China. As of 2018, it has one residential community and 15 villages under its administration. I used to know a few things about China. What we call in Chinese is Zhonghua Tong. I would say in Chinese, 我是中国通. I am Chinese hands, means Chinese expert. Used to know a few things about China. But Shaogang, not sure where that is, but I know exactly where Ningxia is. Although looking at the map of China, I recognize exactly where it is. Northern China. Yeah, wow. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, a little bit of British English, ASMR, and tea. Can never forget tea. Subscribe for more. Let's keep exploring.